This is the SelectHub Cheater's Guide to how manufacturing ERP software can turbocharge your business. In the fiercely competitive manufacturing industry, achieving operational excellence is a key goal, promising big rewards. Implementing the right manufacturing ERP software is a critical factor for success. It's a game changer that can turbocharge your entire manufacturing operation. Specialized ERP for manufacturing software can optimize every step of your manufacturing business, boosting efficiency and elevating overall performance. This includes real-time coordination, visibility, and control across different departments, such as materials planning, production scheduling, inventory, supply chain management, and financial management. It's important to distinguish Material Requirements Planning or MRP software as a subset of ERP. MRP software focuses on optimizing the manufacturing process, managing inventory, ensuring timely material availability, and optimizing production schedules. On the other hand, ERP for manufacturing extends well beyond MRP to integrate critical functions like finance, human resources, supply chain management, and customer relationship management. By centralizing data and automating workflows, manufacturing software systems reduce manual tasks, minimize errors, and boost overall efficiency. For instance, the Materials Planning module optimizes inventory levels, ensuring the right materials are available at the right time, thus minimizing stockouts and excess inventory. Effective production scheduling is vital for meeting customer demands and using resources efficiently. Here are some of the top manufacturing performance metrics your ERP can track. An ERP for manufacturing system allows your business to create optimized production schedules based on real-time data, such as sales forecasts, production capacities, and resource availability. The efficiency of a manufacturing business's supply chain directly impacts its success. Your manufacturing software can provide visibility and control throughout your procurement and distribution process, with features like vendor management, order tracking, and demand planning. Manufacturing ERP empowers businesses to optimize their supply chain, reduce lead times, and enhance overall operational agility. All of this can lead to better customer service. And happy customers make for a happy business. Your ERP system's integrated CRM fosters personalized experiences, swift order processing, and timely support. That's it. We've now seen how manufacturing ERP software can turbocharge your business by optimizing inventory, streamlining production, increasing profitability, and elevating customer satisfaction. Connect with SelectHub for help in selecting the best manufacturing ERP software for your organization, with the features, scalability, and costs that match your business requirements and budget. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cheaters guides and software reviews. Thank you.